Hello, dear students. Good morning, all of you. Today, I am going to tell you about your class 10th social science project work. I have sent one more video before that, and it's once again for the revision of that work and a reminder to the students how they have to make this project, as it is very important from your examination point of view for the board exams. I don't want anyone should lose any marks here, so that in your internal assessment these marks would be counted, and accordingly these are the major three topics regarding your project work. First is consumer awareness from your economics, social issues from your political science, and sustainable development overall topic for this. For social issues, earlier I mentioned about democracy and diversity, popular struggle and movement, challenges to democracy. These are the deleted topic from your civics book, but you may prepare project from these issues also, and some other social issues that you think that important, and you want to spread some awareness regarding those issues to the citizen of your locality. It is very important, and I would like to tell you that here that you have to read these general guidelines, but these guidelines we won't be able to make its practical applicable. We cannot do it accordingly due to corona situation, but now it is the last time you have to do this project. It is in the end that all the project proper should be handwritten only. Eco-friendly material can be used by the students, and project is to be done interleaf sheets, right? Not interleaf sheets, not any ruled paper or anything else. If you want to make this project with the help of audio video, that also can be mentioned here, right? You may take some clippings, get it done, बट इट शुड बी रीजनल. कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट आप बनाना चाहते हो, उसमें आप कोई पिक्स ऐड करना चाहते हो, लाइव उसमें कुछ दिखाना चाह रहे हो, लाइक सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट में इंडस्ट्री रन करते दिखा रहे हो आप उसमें, जहाँ उसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट जो दिखाओगे, pollution, pollutants, different type of pollution. If it is live condition, you may have seen here and there, and you may also add that depends upon you according to the situation. But take care of this corona situation, don't take risk of going anywhere within this. And then the next title of the project, mean to say, first you have to write your name, then class and section, then subject, roll number, then if till then you get your CBSE roll number, then on 7th school address, name of the school proper with pin code, as well as that is the school our registration number, CBSE affiliation number, that you have to write. Then 7th is session, that is 2021 is the session, and after that I'll send you some pics of the front page and others also. Then next we have to take objective. This is the very first page number, and second page number of your project. You have to write about the aims and objective of the projects, and you have to outline the purpose of doing your project in this topic point. Hardly 3 to 4 lines you have to give it. Page number 2. Then we have page number 3. In this page number you have to see what's a methodology you have to write. You have visited museum, archives, historical sites, primary sources, original documents such as diaries, speech, manuscripts, letters, interviews, records, every आई विटनेस, अकाउंट्स, ऑटोबायोग्राफी. जैसे मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था, आपने इन सब के गो थ्रू जाना है. ओनली देन फर्स्ट 3 days you have to collect this material, what you can add, how you can add, from where you have to add, that all things you have to keep in mind while doing this project. Then secondary sources like bibliography, reference book including dictionaries, encyclopedia, atlas, articles from the magazines, journals, newspaper, history books, and other popular sources, or school library, textbook, internet, data collection, and validation, whatsoever you have done accordingly. Like here, I have pasted one picture of news. In this way, you have to do while doing your project. होपफुली यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, समझ आ रहा होगा आप लोगों को व्हाट इज़ द मेन मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. एंड वेरी फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक द इंडेक्स पेज इन दिस वे. ये पेज नंबर तो 5 रहेगा, राइट, लेकिन आपको पेज नंबर इसको बिल्कुल एंड में बनाना है, क्यों हमें इसमें सीरियल नंबर लिखना है, पेज नंबर भी लिखना है, हम किस किस प्रोजेक्ट को सब टॉपिक्स लिखने हैं और पेज नंबर लिखना है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन द एंड. एंड बिल्कुल जो लास्ट पेज होगा उस पर आपने बिब्लियोग्राफी लिखनी है. बिब्लियोग्राफी एज अर्लियर टोल्ड यू वट इज सो एवर यू हैव डन, बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन्स, online sources, interview, speeches, presentations, conferences, right, whatsoever you have done regarding that you have to write here. In this way, this is about your project work. You have to take number 1 page number, number 2 page number, aims and objective, number 3 methodology, number 4 you have to give the acknowledgement of the project. Then page number 5 you have to write this index, and then page number 7 you have to do the bibliography. and in between 1 to टोटल जो हमारे 5 पेज ये हो गए, और लास्ट बिब्लियोग्राफी का जो पेज है तो उनको इन एक्सक्लूड करके बाकी पेजेस पे आपने मिनिमम 1 to 9 पेजेस जो हैं उसमें अपना टॉपिक, कंटेंट और ये सब कुछ लिख के यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द प्रोजेक्ट. Hopefully you have understood, students. So in this way, dear students, I am going to show you this acknowledgement page. In this way you have to prepare acknowledgement. In that you have to acknowledge your project, what you have acknowledged from your friends, teachers, school principals, school libraries, so on so forth. And then I am trying to show that project of political science era of one party dominance. It is somewhat example from 12th class, but you may also prepare this type of you may also prepare this type of page of your project. So hopefully you have understood, dear students. Thank you. Bye. Take care.